Birds are renowned for their incredible ability to travel long distances during migration. From the Arctic tern, which migrates up to 71,000 kilometers annually, to the bar-tailed godwit, known for its non-stop flight from Alaska to New Zealand spanning over 11,000 kilometers. But how far can birds fly without taking a break? The common swift holds the record for the longest continuous flight among birds. These small birds can stay airborne for up to 10 months during migration, covering distances of up to 10,000 kilometers without landing. Their secret? Swifts have evolved to sleep while flying, taking short naps lasting only a few seconds. This remarkable adaptation allows them to conserve energy and travel vast distances without stopping.